Making that French toast with the Bacardi coconut, cinnamon. For this French toast, we're gonna use Nature's Own butter bread. Very low carbohydrate, fluffy profile, only 60 calories per slice, 12 grams of carb. Keep your carbs below 30 grams at breakfast. So now that we've made our batter with 2 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a shot of Bacardi coconut, and 4 ounces of almond milk. Now we're ready to put our bread into the batter, let it soak for about 2 minutes, and be ready to serve. 2 slices of bread is a serving. Dip it fully in the batter, let it get nice and wet, and then we will put it into a dish here, hold it, grab your next batter of bread, dip it, all right, and hold it. Now that you've soaked the egg a little, or the French toast in the batter, we'll pour the remaining amount over the French toast, just like this. Let it marinate and soak up the flavors. While it's doing that, we'll heat up the pan and get ready to make your French toast. Spray your pan with a little bit of Pam so that it doesn't stick. Make sure that the pan is hot and get ready to add your French toast to the pan. Hear the sizzle, you know it's ready. All right. Let each side cook for approximately 3 minutes or until golden brown. Now while our French toast is cooking, we'll cook up some eggs. I like to use the frozen pepper blend as an easy way to increase your vegetable intake without having to put the labor in to cut those vegetables. So just add about a half a cup. I like to estimate. Ooh, shit, be careful. There we go. Let that cook. Come back over to your French toast. You check it. Getting there. All right, French toast is brown. Let's flip it. Make sure that it doesn't stick. Woo! Flip. Nice and brown. Make sure you turn the heat down a little bit so it doesn't burn. We'll let these two cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and we're ready to serve. I've been getting good at this. Cooking is fun. Simple, delicious, and nutritious with JLucas Nutrition. Tune in, baby. I'll get you in shape for 2018. 6-pack on flat. Follow me. I got you. Listen to my direction. Registered dietitian. Exercise physiologist. Let's go. All right, looks like our French toast is done. It's perfectly golden brown. Again, you don't want to burn it, so make sure you're watching it very closely. And 1 and 2. There we go. Now we're going to plate it. 60 calories per slice, only 12 grams of carbohydrate per slice of bread. Voila. Put a little bit of butter. We'll put some fruit to top it off, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. You can put some whipped cream on it, sprinkle some coconut flakes if you like, and be ready to serve. Alright, so now while our eggs are cooking, I like to use the egg whites that are already prepared. I would never waste a whole egg to get the egg whites because the whole egg provides some nutritional value. The French toast is going to be made with 2 whole eggs, so we're getting that choline from the egg yolk. We're getting vitamin D. We're also getting lutein, which helps to reduce macular degeneration for the eye. So I'm going to estimate approximately 3/4 cup to 1 cup of eggs with this here egg whites. High protein diet is key to supporting a weight loss effort and also to help with building muscle, baby. Season your egg with a little Goya or salt and pepper of your choice. Arriba! Simple, delicious, and nutritious. You can add a little butter on the French toast to provide additional moisture, but I can tell you that this French toast here is well saturated from the egg mixture that was created. So just line it with a little bit for a little extra flavor, baby. So now that we have our egg whites, about 1 cup, mixed in with our vegetables, we want to now add a little extra cheese for more protein. High protein diet is key to support appetite, meaning to keep you full throughout the day and reduce total calorie intake. Secondarily, again, helps to build muscle. You could add a little bit of cheese on top if you like a little more flavor and a little bit more protein. So about a pinch full of cheese is about 1 ounce. Sprinkle it on there. Look at my man Salt Babe. All right, now that we've melted our cheese and our egg whites, we're gonna now add it to the plate of French toast. Plenty of protein, carbohydrates, and flavor. We have our eggs prepared, our French toast, and our bacon. It's time to garnish with some fruits. So cut up a couple of slices. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. I'm no chef by any means. So we got maybe a 4-way cut if you like, and top it off like so. And then we will add our blackberries. Just maybe do 1, 2, 3, and the 4. And you can also add some whipped cream if you like to make it look pretty. And then you could also add some blueberries to garnish. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If it stays. There you have it. Now you could always put a few servings of fruit on the side so that you can increase your fruit and vegetable intake, which we know is a critical piece to improving health. So we'll take the remaining strawberries, blackberries, and add it into a separate side bowl and be ready to serve. There we have it, another simple, delicious, nutritious meal by JLucas Nutrition. French toast made with Bacardi coconut, egg whites with vegetables, and bacon. Don't forget to have your fruit on the side for antioxidants to help fight disease. And also, for additional sweetener, try using a sugar-free syrup, such as this here, Carrie's sugar-free syrup. Only 15 calories per serving. Go to JLucasNutrition.com for more meal plans with delicious, simple recipes such as this one here.